The entryway is the operational hub of your home, but it often becomes a chaotic dumping ground. Fortunately, IKEA offers modular, affordable foundations ready for customization. By applying clever hacks, think custom hardware, fresh paint, and strategic trim, you can transform basic pieces into bespoke organizational solutions that make a stunning first impression. Number 1. The Kallax Comfort Bench and Cubbies. The Kallax shelving unit, particularly the 2x4 or 2x2 configuration laid horizontally, is the perfect starting point for entryway seating. To elevate this hack, secure a custom-cut piece of MDF or plywood to the top, adding foam padding and durable upholstery like faux leather or performance velvet to create a comfortable bench cushion. The cubbies beneath are ideal for shoe storage or customized inserts for baskets, instantly tidying up floor clutter. Number 2. Integrated Slim Depth Mudroom Console, Hemnes Hack. The Hemnes shoe cabinet is famously shallow, making it ideal for narrow hallways. To achieve a high-end integrated look, mount 2 Hemnes units side by side. Add custom wood trim or molding around the exterior edges to frame the unit, making it look like a single piece of millwork. Finish with high-quality metal handles and a deep matte paint color to camouflage its flat pack origins. Number 3. Scottice Key and Mail Organization Wall. Vertical organization is crucial in small entryways, and the Scottice pegboard system is the ultimate hackable solution. Instead of using it just for tools, dedicate a board near the door for immediate access items. Use Scottice containers for incoming and outgoing mail, small hooks for keys and dog leashes, and shelves for sunglasses and wallets. Painting the pegboard a contrasting wall color helps it blend in, while providing maximum function. Number 4. Elevating Rast into an apothecary cabinet. The humble Rast 3-drawer chest is the cheapest customizable wood unit IKEA sells. For a sophisticated entryway console, sand the unit thoroughly, then add decorative molding strips to the drawer fronts to mimic a classic apothecary or campaign style. Swap the standard knobs for vintage look pulls and finish with a rich wood stain or a deep charcoal paint. This piece instantly provides closed storage for gloves and accessories. Number 5. Seamless Floating Lac Entry Table. Lac shelves are incredibly versatile, but their plastic finish can look cheap. To create a high-impact floating console, utilize the deepest lac shelf, or 2 side by side. Apply contact paper that mimics marble or high-grade wood grain, or wrap the shelf in thin veneer. Ensure the mounting brackets are completely hidden, creating the illusion of a solid slab floating gracefully below your mirrored or artwork. Number 6. Bekvam Mini Shelves for Essential Drops. The Bekvam Spice Rack is an underrated hallway hero. These small, lipped wooden shelves are perfect for creating mini drop zones without taking up much vertical space. Mount several Bekvam shelves vertically to create a tiered system. One for outgoing mail/lunch bags, one for charging phones, and one for displaying a small plant or seasonal decor. A quick coat of paint matches them to your wall color. Number 7. Billy System Shallow Locker Unit. If you have slightly more depth, the shallow Billy bookcase or the Augsburg doors designed for it can be hacked into a pseudo locker or coat closet replacement. Install 2 narrow Billy units and utilize the adjustable shelves for organizational dividers. Adding beadboard backing and robust coat hooks inside the cabinets maximizes vertical storage and keeps coats and bags hidden behind closed doors. Number 8. Upgrading Chusig with leather and brass. The Chusig coat rock is functional but standard. Give it a bespoke touch by replacing the original metal hooks with high-quality alternatives, such as substantial brass hooks or stylish leather loops attached with decorative screws. Additionally, consider wrapping the main wooden beam of the Chusig in a contrasting material, like dark stained wood or vinyl leather, to elevate its texture and appearance, making it look far more expensive than it is. Number 9. Custom Countertop Entry Console, Butcher Block Swap. For a truly heavy-duty, high-impact entryway piece, use low-cost IKEA drawer units like Kallax or Forest Law as bases. Instead of using the matching IKEA top, secure a custom-cut piece of solid wood butcher block, often available cheaply at hardware stores or via IKEA kitchen departments like Skokesaw. This heavy, natural top gives the unit significant visual weight and creates a durable, high-end console surface for keys, lamps, and bags.